Hello, this is a video on fractions. What is a fraction? For this video, I'm going to be using the Fraction Model 2 applet found at illuminations.nctm.org. You see here that this is the Fraction Model 2 applet. And let's take a look at this first fraction that I have here. This first fraction is 3/4, 3 over 4. Let's take a look at the role of the top number and the bottom number. Let's start down on the bottom. It happens to be called the denominator. The denominator tells you how many parts make up the whole. This whole unit here is divided into 4 equal parts. The numerator, the top number, tells how many we have. You'll notice here that we have 3 parts. This happens to be a circle model. Let's go ahead and switch to a set model. This square region is one whole, and you'll notice it's divided into 4 parts. That's the bottom number, the denominator, and we have 3 of them shaded. The other possibility is a rectangle model. Once again, one whole is divided into 4 equal parts, and I have 3 of them. If I reduce the number of parts that I have, I might reduce it to 2 or even down to 1. My numerator changes when I change the number of parts that I have. Let's put it back up to 3/4. If I increase my denominator, increase this 4 to 5, for example, now we see that my whole is divided into 5 parts instead of 4 parts. I think I'm going to go back now to the circle model, and we see that we have 3/5. Let's go ahead and increase the numerator again. Here's 4/5. Here's 5/5, which is 1. But the numerator can actually be larger than the denominator. The denominator still tells me that one whole is divided into 5 parts. And the numerator of 6 tells me that I have 6 of those parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The fraction shown here is 12/5, which is the same as 2 and 2/5. This is a very nice applet to experiment with. It also works with decimals and percents. This is 2.4 or 2 4/10. And 240%, which we will be talking about in future modules. You can work with these sliders and increase the number of parts that make up the whole, or decrease the number of parts that make up the whole. And you can increase or decrease the numerator.